I'm John Caudwell, welcome to my kitchen. What we're going to do first of all is just put a bit of oil, a bit of olive oil in there, or quite a lot actually, because part of the beauty of this dish is absolutely down to the oil that's infused with flavours. We're going to put the butter in, and as soon as that's melted we're going to put garlic, ginger and chilli. Because you can keep garlic, chilli and ginger in oil, and really quick cooking is a part of my absolute formula for success with the food, because I don't have much time. It has to be very, very rapid and very, very tasty. So pre-preparing things like this helps you to do the food really quickly. So that's all going to sweat in that oil. There's the ginger going in, and there's the garlic, and this is once again always to taste. It's really important not to let the oil get too hot, because it'll just crisp up the ginger and crisp up the garlic and you won't get the flavours out of it. And there's the prawn shells and prawn heads, which are giving lots of flavour into that juice, which we're going to add to this later. Just another note on tiger prawns, they're one of the lowest seafood or fish that you can have, the lowest on mercury, so a really, really good thing to have. People say they're full of cholesterol. Don't worry about the cholesterol. Mercury is your enemy, not cholesterol. Other than we have to have the white crusty bread, because you have to have that to mop up this delicious juice. So we're now putting the tiger prawns, and they really want to be tiger prawns because tiger prawns are fantastic. I'm going to add a little bit more oil to that because I want lots of juice. We're going to cook those until they're pink, and then we're going to add the emulsion. I add this prawn juice to that to make an emulsion. What's really important about this dish is that you turn all the tiger prawns pink, because you really don't want uncooked prawns. So delicious. I could eat this every day. No more cooking. Now put the juice in from the prawns. Finish that off to make the emulsion. Lots of juice, a good garnishing of coriander. That's my dish and I love coriander, so I'm putting more than most people would have. And there we go, stunning prawn pil pil.